Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video we'll discuss the top 7 best offset smokers, so let's get started. Number 7, Char-Griller Smokin' Pro. With a smoker under $200 you usually won't get much. You might get a functional smoker for a couple months only to see it burn out quickly. With the Char-Griller Smokin' Pro you'll get a smoker that is very effective and lasts longer than virtually every other smoker at its price point. It's pretty cheap but still has some fairly impressive features like a charcoal hopper and 2 wheels that are big enough to navigate on off-road surfaces. Number 6, Char-Broil Offset Smoker. Slightly different from the standard American Gourmet offset smoker, this offset smoker acts as a deluxe version of the American Gourmet. It's definitely bigger than the American Gourmet, having 739 square inches of cooking space and is overall 25 pounds heavier. A large part of the additional weight can be attributed to the use of higher quality metal than the standard American Gourmet. It also doubles as a grill like the American Gourmet, so you wouldn't require another completely different unit when you want to grill. This could be convenient to those that regularly do both and would definitely be an upgrade over the American Gourmet. Number 5, Oklahoma Joe's Highland. Oklahoma Joe is actually a real guy named Joe from Oklahoma, which is cool. He started the company back in 1987 using his knowledge as a competition-level pitmaster to help shape a quality smoker. OJ's offer 6 different models of smoker, but we've decided to single out the Highland reverse flow. This smoker overcomes one of the fundamental problems with offsets by using reverse flow technology, forcing the smoke to flow over the meat and back again before exiting through the chimney. This helps provide even smoking and heating. You do also have the option of locating the chimney in the standard position if you prefer. Number 4, Dyna-Glo DGSS962CBOI. New Dyna-Glo from their line of space heaters before I knew anything about their outdoor living products. A part of the GHP group, Dyna-Glo produces patio heaters, grills greater than fire pits, and smokers. Though the low-grade Photoshop work on the website gave me some concerns. Watch your shadow directions, people. It appears they make pretty good smoker after all. There is plenty of space on this smoker, including 675 square in the main barrel, and 287 square in the firebox. You could even put a pot or pan on the squared-off lid of the firebox. The wheels and legs seem adequately large and sturdy, but the front and lower shelves look smaller than average. Number 3, Oklahoma Joe's Combo. If you want a smoker that can do it all, the Char-Broil Oklahoma Joe's Charcoal LP Gas Smoker Combo is a great choice. With the ability to run on both charcoal and propane, this grill can smoke and grill at the same time. Over 1,000 square inches of cooking space is plenty of room for a large gathering. Thick gauge steel makes this grill both durable and efficient. Dual temperature gauges make it easy to monitor food and its progress. Number 2, Landman 560202. If space is at a premium, you need a smaller smoker like the Landman 560202 Vista barbecue grill with offset smoker box. With a little over 360 square inches of cooking space in the smoker and just 169 square inches in the firebox, this is not a large grill. But, for a family or a few friends, it's really all you need, especially if you're tight on space. For heat control, this Landman includes a temperature gauge, plenty of vents, and a hand crank to adjust the height of the charcoal tray. It's also easy to clean with plenty of openings and a charcoal tray. Number 1, Broil King Offset Smoker. This is a pretty big offset smoker. 625 square inches of primary cooking space is nothing to sneeze at, especially for the price for this one, which falls a fair bit under what you'd end up paying for some other grills or smokers of this size. 625 square inches is the perfect size for what I'd call the dedicated hobbyist. It's large enough to cook a great amount of food for fairly large gatherings of people. Family reunions, huge backyard barbecue events, that kind of thing, without breaking our budget or leaving you scratching your head on where exactly you're going to put an enormous 800+ square inch grill and smoker. Combined with its construction, that perfect mid-high-end sizing makes this a formidable smoker. The all-stainless steel construction is thick and sturdy, with thick cast iron cooking grids giving you better heat retention than stainless steel, and better heat distribution due to the increased surface area per grate.